Hey guys, it's me, MSC or not, you know. Well, that's cool. Anyways, today we're playing Animal Company. I recently unlocked the burritos, and we're just gonna explore around the new update. And yes, this is the dragon backpack. Come on. So, what I like doing is burrito time. Whee! Woo! Ah! Wee! Wait, oh no. I have the frog camera. I can just like follow me around. Come on. So we're gonna go to the sewers, which is in that room. It's in those rooms. But first, we need some weapons or something similar to weapons. I'm assuming I will need a bookshot. And I'm assuming I will need a repulsor. Come on.
I suppose I should put it in first person.
Come on. Hey, frog camera. Follow. Oh, wait, let's just. Third camera's actually better. So, like, I can look at you guys. Okay, come on. Come on, frog. Whee! Alright, so now we're going down into the deepest part of the game. Alright, this is gonna be risky, but wee! No, camera, no! Oh, I swear the camera's not on. Is it still following me? I might have to die. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Where's the frog cam? Why were you hiding? Wait, I had you with me the whole time?
Come on, guys.
I'm gonna have to find my hookshot. Where's the camera? Let's go down. I don't know why my camera didn't follow me the last time. Alrighty. follow me. No. Hello, frog cam. Let's go back to Wiki. Alright, so my hook shot would be over here. I wonder what this is. I feel normal. Hey, wait, the camera's a bit tiny. Oh wow. Oh, there's it. Found it. Okay. I'm scared. Bird. Yes! Oh, my eyes! Where am I? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Well, we're gonna have to go back to look for my camera. Well, now I don't have a weapon. Great. Great. What the? Listen. Jax, look, I know we don't get along, but... I'll take it. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I think you are. No, stay back. Come on. Where am I supposed to go? I don't know. I just... Oh, kaboom! Sunyan. Okay, I'll take it. Kaboom. Huh? Camera? Why did you just disappear, Cam? No, wait, where'd my hook shot? Okay, sorry. So, where am I? Wait. Oh, your camera was turned around. So what I was saying is, oh, look, great. I'll take it. It's a bomb. Hold on, I need to grab this with my good hand. Oh, I'll end the stream when I die. I mean, I'll end the video when I die. I love mushrooms. See, this is good. Hey. Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Oh! That was close. Alright, we're just gonna swim. That's all I need to do. Bomber! Oh! How long have I been recording for? Okay. I'm not gonna end stream. So I think this might be the end. I will do more Animal Company videos. That's for sure. I will 100% do more Animal Company videos. Like, no guaranteed. Alright.
Sayonara.